Let's start some teacher appreciation gifts. I am so excited about today's project because it is a lot of fun. So what I currently have in my hand is part of the artist toolkit, and it's like a little itty bitty squeegee paintbrush. And this artist toolkit, there's 4 pieces in it, but this is by far my favorite piece. So I am just going to work this entire adorable owl, which is part of our new fall minis, and with this little I don't even know what they call it. It's kind of like a detail tool, except for it's a little squeegee. Totally worth it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. It's definitely one worth watching. I used orange peel, bumblebee, and eucalyptus paints, or ink, excuse me. It was not paste, it was ink. So that way we could heat set it and give it out for a teacher's gift. Definitely let me know what you guys think. We are going to go ahead and switch out the tools just on the larger part of the owl's body where I'm not working in so much detail. So the first one I'm using is called our detail tool. One end of it is really pointy. The other end of it is a smaller squeegee. It's kind of like a half of a mini squeegee. So a quarter of a mini squeegee. And then we also have the multi-purpose tool, which is this one that I'm using right here, which is great. One end of it is for stirring your paste because sometimes the water comes apart from the paste. And the other side of it is, again, kind of like a mini squeegee. So both of these accessories are great to use. If you haven't ever shopped our accessories, I recommend checking them out. Thanks again for watching, guys.